Good morning, student. Welcome to EVS online class. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Today we will be going to start our new chapter. We have public and natural places in our surrounding. In order to know the exact position and location of place, what we have refer? Yes, we have to refer their map with directions. Also, we have divided the day into different parts. These parts can be referred to as time. So, our today's chapter name is Direction and Time. In this video, we study about direction and map. You all know that the sun rises and sets every day. Yes or no? Yes, very good. Now tell me, where the sun rises? Yes, sun rises from the east. And where the sun set? Yes, very good. Sun sets in the west. Do you know what are the east and west? Students, east and west are the directions. There are four main directions. Now, let's see. But how can you know these directions? Look at the picture. It is morning. The direction in which the sun rises is called the east. The boy is facing the rising sun. He is facing the east. Behind him is the west. The sun sets in the west in the evening. The boy's left hand points to north and his right hand points to the south. Okay. For better understanding of the directions, let's do an activity. Now, all of you stands facing the sun. Okay. Now, stretch your arm as shown in the picture. Now, on your front is the east and behind you is the west. Okay. Then what's about south and north? So, your left is the north and to your right is the south. Got it? You try this activity again in next morning in the open at sunrise. It will help you to understand directions better. Okay? Now see opposite directions. The directions are opposite to each other. Directions facing each other are called opposite direction. Can you tell me which is the opposite of east? Yes, very good. The west is the opposite of east. And what about the north? Yes, the south is the opposite direction of the north. Okay? You always remember there are four main directions. How many? Four. Okay? And what they are? They are east, west, north and south. Every day the sun rises in the morning in the east. Every day the sun sets in the evening in the west. The next point, the directions are opposite to each other. The east is opposite the west. The north is opposite the south. Okay. Directions can be used to tell exactly where an object is located. Got it? I hope you all have understood what is the directions and opposite directions. Now we will learn our next topic is map. Now tell me, if you want to go new place or you want to travel another city, what will you use to find your way? Yes, you use a map. Then what is a map? Map is a drawing of a place. Map shows where you are and where you need to go. Also, map shows the details of places and help people to find a place they want to go easily. Map is always drawn on flat surface. For using map, you need to know about direction words. Now, I will be explaining you about direction words. To move from one place to another without getting lost, we need to know about directions. The word left and right, toward or backward, up or down, behind or in front of, to give simple directions. We sometimes use our hands to show the directions. If extend our left hand, it shows side toward left, and if we extend our right hand, it shows side towards right. Okay, now see how these words are we use in our daily life with the help of short story. Do you like story? Yes. Okay, then see. One day, Ant went to a big park with her friend Monkey. While playing, Ant got lost in the park. Fortunately, she had a mobile phone. She phoned Monkey. Tring tring. Monkey, where are you? I can't seem to find you. How will I get to you? Monkey said. Ant, don't worry. I am in the park. I will help you to reach me. Tell me, what do you see in your right? I see a small pond with one duck. Good. Do you see a small pathway on your right? Yes, friend. Come on the pathway and walk straight till you see a swing on your left. I am walking on the pathway and oh yes, I can see a swing on my left. Now what shall I do? Come around the swing and you will see me. Oh yes, I see you. In this way, Ant reached at the monkey with the help of directions. I hope you all enjoy the story and understood we need directions to find our way. For larger areas, we use north, south, east and west to name the directions. For better understanding how map help us, you ask your parents to show you how Google Map application work in your parents' mobile phone. Okay? Do you know what is this? This is a compass. A magnetic needle in a compass always lies in the north-south direction. Okay? Here our direction and map point is over. Now see what we have learned. Directions. There are four main directions. They are east, west, north and south. Every day the sun rises in the morning in the east. Every day the sun sets in the evening in the west. The directions are opposite to each other. The east is opposite to the west. The north is opposite to the south. Map. A map is a diagram or a drawing of a particular area. I hope you all have understood the topic directions and map. We will study our next point each time in detail in our next session. Okay? Thank you.